Organized in the city to create an awareness on child rights. Around 500 children participated in the event and cycled for a stretch of 5 kilometers around Jai Mahal. The event was flagged off by Y. Mariswamy, the chairperson of the Karnataka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. The children cycled, carrying placards containing messages against child abuse.
There are a lot of child abuse, like sexual abuse, assault taking place. So it's time we change, we protect children. Everything happens to us, but nobody talks about this. So we have spread the awareness by cycling. So it's time we bring a change.
India has the highest number of child abuse, yet the society is not doing anything about it. And it's a shame that we've got the highest number of children and then yet we are not focusing about children. So today we want the children to talk about their own rights, besides which we've got a whole lot of volunteers and parents who've come here to stand and support. So it's a good lesson that the society should come forward and do something for the children, and we can't tolerate abuse anymore.
There are 4 important rights for the children: right to life, right to production, right to development and right to participation. These are the major and 4 important rights of the children. We need regular campaign, regular awareness to create some sort of sensitivity among the public and citizens.
Well, this is the message that the children as well as the organizers had. A cycling event was organized and several of these children took part in it with messages on their cycles. Well, it was a fun way of giving out a message. In and around Jai Mahal, these children cycled for about 5 kilometers and there were several elders who were present with them as well, encouraging them in giving out this message. And with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for watching. Up next is a Newsland special report. Stay tuned.
He swims like a shark and runs like a cheetah.
Lose control!